welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Canary Capital's XRPC, the first US spot XRP ETF, made a powerful debut with $58 million in first-day trading volume, the highest among all ETF launches so far in 2025. Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas said the fund narrowly surpassed Bitwise's Solana ETF, which recorded $57 million on its debut. The strong opening shows rising institutional interest in gaining exposure to altcoins through regulated ETFs. While XRP's market price didn't move much, the heavy activity signals growing demand for mainstream investment products tied to the XRP Ledger's fast and scalable payment network. VanEck has submitted its final Form 8A filing to the US SEC for its upcoming Solana ETF, a move that usually signals a launch within days. Analysts say the ETF could become available as early as today if regulators give the green light. This follows VanEck's updated S1 filing last month, which detailed a 0.3% management fee and its staking strategy. Meanwhile, demand for Solana ETFs remains strong. Data shows that spot Solana funds have recorded 13 straight days of inflows, with combined net inflows crossing $370 million since October. 21Shares has launched two crypto indexes ETFs regulated under the US Investment Company Act of 1940, offering investors a more traditional and transparent structure. The new ETFs, the FTSE Crypto 10 Index ETF and the FTSE Crypto 10 XBTC Index ETF, track FTSE Russell indexes and provide diversified exposure to leading digital assets. The 40 Act structure offers strong investor protections compared to the Securities Act of 1933, which is usually used for spot Bitcoin and Ether products. The launch marks another major step in expanding regulated crypto investment options in the US. Grayscale Investments, the firm behind the Bitcoin Trust ETF, has filed for an initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. The company submitted an S1 form to the SEC, through the number of shares and price range are still undecided. Grayscale, owned by Digital Currency Group, would remain under DCG's control after the listing. The filing comes as more crypto firms pursue US public listings. Grayscale reported $203 million in net income for the first 9 months of 2025, with assets under management reaching about $35 billion. The Czech National Bank has become the first central bank to include Bitcoin on its balance sheet, marking a major milestone for the digital asset. The bank revealed a $1 million test portfolio on Thursday, consisting of Bitcoin, a USD stablecoin, and a tokenized deposit. The move is designed to give officials real-world experience with blockchain-based assets. Approved on October 30th, the pilot will not be expanded further and was created outside the bank's traditional reserves. Governor Elias Milch said the goal is to study Bitcoin's potential role in long-term reserve diversification. Emory University increased its exposure to Bitcoin in the third quarter, reporting more than 1 million shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin mini trust in its latest 13F filing. The stake was valued at roughly $52 million as of September 30th, up from its 500,000 share position last quarter. The university first entered the trust in 2024. Emory also maintains a smaller position in BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF and added a large $79 million investment in BlackRock's iShares Gold Trust. The school also increased its equity stake in Coinbase. Upexi, a Solana-focused digital asset treasury firm listed on Nasdaq, has approved a $50 million share buyback program as its stock price continues to decline. The company said it will repurchase shares on the open market depending on liquidity and market conditions. CEO Alan Marshall noted the initiative will not affect Upexi's growth plans or treasury strength. The move follows steep share losses, over 50% since October and nearly 90% from April. Upexi currently holds 2.1 million SOL, valued at roughly $319 million. The dYdX community has approved a major update to its buyback program, voting to increase the allocation for repurchasing dYdX tokens from 25% to up to 75% of net protocol revenue. Proposal #313 passed with 59.3% support. The tokens bought back will continue to be staked. The decision reflects a shift towards strengthening token-based incentives and tightening circulating supply. Additional revenue allocations will send 5% to the Treasury sub-DAO and 5% to the megawatt. OKX has launched decentralized trading for US customers, allowing users to trade tokens directly through self-custody wallets within the OKX app. The system provides access to millions of assets across Solana, Base, and OKX's X-layer network. Trades are routed automatically through more than 100 liquidity pools to secure the best prices. OKX also introduced a CDFI model that blends centralized and decentralized features, reducing the need for users to manage multiple wallets, token bridges, or separate gas fees. BNY is launching the BNY Dreyfus Stablecoin Reserves Fund BSRXX, a money market product designed to help stablecoin issuers meet Federal Reserve requirements under the recently enacted Genius Act. The fund does not hold stablecoins but instead provides a regulated structure for backing them with cash equivalent assets. BNY estimates the global stablecoin market could reach $1.5 trillion by 2030. Anchorage Digital provided the fund's first investment, highlighting its role in building compliant infrastructure for stablecoin issuance. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Keep watching $3 TV.